Hey guys, welcome back to Bakes Foods. Today we're making buffalo chicken dip. This is such an easy recipe and it's always a hit at parties, gatherings, whatever. I'm going to show you how to make this. It's only 3 ingredients for the basic. Then there's a few things you can do to add a little bit of zest to it. So, check it out. So we're using Frank's Red Hot, cream cheese, and canned chicken. Okay, today we're using our little baby crock pot. This is great for dips, stuff like that. You can do the same recipe in your regular size crock pot. Double the quantities of everything, triple, whatever you want to do. Just depending on the size of the party. Let's throw everything together and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna throw 2 blocks of cream cheese into our crock pot. Don't worry about breaking that up. It will melt down. And then make sure to strain the liquid from your chicken. Go ahead and add the chicken in there. Sometimes I like to add a can of Rotel. But then the main ingredient here, well, other than the cream cheese, Frank's Red Hot. Red Hot. I put that on everything. Now I'm using the extra hot. I just like things spicy, and I normally would probably add some jalapenos, and we're just gonna do about a cup of that. And then I always like to throw in a little bit of color, so that's just parsley flakes. We're gonna try to mix that around a little bit, and then let it heat on high for about 2 hours. And we really want to get that stirred up and make sure the cream cheese is dissolving fully, and that will thicken up. Oh yeah. And once we get it to this consistency, we can just turn it down to low. Give that one more good mixing. And here we have buffalo chicken dip. Okay. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna take that much, that would be crazy. Okay, cheers. Yep. So yeah, not too bad. Extra hot, Frank's, got a nice little level of heat. With the jalapenos, it would have been perfect if I wanted something nice and spicy. Super easy, probably one of the easiest dip recipes, and such a hit every time. I like to sometimes add blue cheese crumbles to the top, and like I said, or some jalapenos, something like that to make it a little spicier. But anyways, that's it. If you guys liked it, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and until the next one, Bakes out.